It takes little time to set up and link our software to Tally. One click is all it takes to export to Tally without using TDL or XML. Anytime you export data from Excel to Tally, software finds missing ledgers first. One click can be used to produce missing ledgers. Based on the tax rate and supply region, you can map your buy, sales, and GST ledgers. Once the mapping is complete, each voucher no longer requires the purchase sale ledger name to be specified. The most recent technology, which is compatible with all computer hardware and several third-party software formats, was used to build our product. Our program is available for free download, is quick to install, simple to use, and comes with full technical assistance. We also guarantee 100% accuracy and customer satisfaction. With the use of this program, party names from Tally can be automatically imported depending on their GSTIN and vice versa. Our application is entirely created in Excel, allowing you to take advantage of all of its built-in features like copy and paste, drag and drop, search and replace, filter and sort, usage of formulas, and more. Using remote desktop and other online assistance tools, our committed customer service team swiftly responds to your questions and handles problems. With the help of our software, importing data from Excel to Tally only takes 2 simple clicks. Select your file first, then use our software to map it to display all of your data. Then click to import your data into Tally after validating it. There is no need for an upload or download to a server because all of your financial data is processed straight from Excel to Tally and is therefore 100% safe.